Hey, Iyong.
So it's either the impeachment trial proceeds in the 19th Congress, and then whether they move that to the 20th, that's another scenario. So there are two scenarios when you're talking about this impeachment trial pushing through, or there's also the third scenario, which is mawawala siya altogether. So what do you see happening in each scenario? So first scenario is impeachment trial pushes through and finishes on June 30. Second scenario is the impeachment trial pushes through and it gets carried over to the 20th Congress. And the third scenario is dismissed before the 11th.
Okay. The ideal is that it pushes through. It's not only ideal. It is what the Constitution says should happen. That you need to have a trial.
Okay.
If an impeachment is endorsed by the House to the Senate, there has to be a trial.
Okay.
Saying that it has no basis is a job of the House.
Okay.
And the House has already said there's basis here, so it went
Okay.
already to the Senate. And the Constitution says forthwith there is a trial. And it, with very few days left, to the 19th Congress, there you cannot put a limit. It says it's going to be a trial. It's going to be a fair trial. It's going to be a trial according to the rule of law. Then you give it time. You give time for the prosecution to lay the grounds. You give time for the accused, the defendant,
Okay.
to lay out the defense,
Yes.
so that the court can decide. And you don't put a deadline to that. You don't put a deadline to that. And many of the legal luminaries, including framers of the 1987 Constitution,
Yes.
have already said that this act of impeachment is not part of the legislative work.
Yes.
Therefore, it is not bound by the
rule, parang you have to accept.
The Congresses.
Yes.
And in this case, as the Senate, as a continuing body, so it is different from the House, because the House, everybody changes.
Yes.
The Senate, only one half, indicating that it is a different kind of body, and that it has the basis of being a continuing body. Some will be replaced, but there will be enough that will be there, and that therefore it can take that on.
Okay.
That's the scenario that I believe follows the Constitution. It is in accordance with the rule of law.
Okay, thank you for that.
The second one, where you put a deadline to it,
June
it's
30
like
daw.
it's like sige na nga, we'll try her, pero kailangan matapos. Hello. Mamili lang kayo ng dalawa. Ano bang sabi ni Senator Tolentino?
Kaka-pressure naman yun. Maawa ko sa mga senators for having to...
At mamili ka lang ng dalawa. Para kang sa mga kasalanan, sa mga anong nangyari, mamimili ka ng dalawa. Where is the rule of law there? Where is the fairness there?
Yes.
And I'm sure that the Senate itself will not be united to take that stand. I'm sure that there will be senators who will say no. And I'm sure the panel of prosecutors from the House will say, no, you cannot give us just 2 days to lay it all out. This was, this depth of impunity cannot be.
Parang you're asking for too much kung if you give it a deadline, June 30.
Hindi pwede. So, and then the last one is the dismissal.
Yes.
I think it will go to it will go to the Supreme Court, but more probably
Mhm.
I think you will feel a public uproar.
Mhm.
You can feel it already. You can really feel it already now. For a for quite a while, parang yung mga Pinoy Pilipino, mga napagod na sa pagrarally, pagpupunta sa kalsada.
Mhm.
Pero ngayon mukhang nabuhayan. And people are planning it. And I think um, it will not go quietly. It will not go quietly if that's what they try to do.
Yes.
There's the action in the Senate. There are candle lighting events that are being planned already.
And I believe a couple of them are independently planned. As
Yeah,
in, walang involvement yung
Yeah,
coalition. That's
and ano nga,
impressive.
parang ang pag naglalabas, kasi meron rin lumalabas yung write a letter. So, where did this
Oo.
come from? You don't know. Parang, it's spontaneously coming
Spontaneous.
out. And from the provinces as well.
Oh yes. Oh.
They want to be part of it, just as we call the People Power in 1986 as EDSA, because
Yes.
it was where the big thing happened.
Yes.
But it happened all over the
All
country.
country.
It happened all over the country, and that I hope with all my heart that the Senate will be enlightened and not bring the country through that.
Oo.
Just do what's right. Just do what's right. It's already there. It's
Yes.
already in there. It's already in their hands.
And if anything, you can be supportive of the vice president or not,
Yeah.
but this impeachment, this just whether the impeachment trial happens or not, it's not a political matter. It's a matter of following the constitution.
Yeah.
It's a matter of following the law. And if you have people on the side, on the aisle of the vice president who oppose this, who oppose the trial from happening, and they can also see this as an opportunity for the vice president to clear her name, to defend herself.
Yes, defend herself.
So if I'm sure kasi may mga mag-view nito na baka they're probably supportive of the vice president. If you were to talk to them, make a pitch as a complainant for impeachment for all of this to push through, what would you tell them?
Give the vice president a chance to clear her name. Give the Filipino people, give us all a chance to know what's the truth.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
There are evidences that can't be brought out unless there's a case.
Mm-hmm.
For example, the bank accounts.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And kung wala talaga, as she says, wala, kahit na anong sabihin ng isabina yan, kung walang ilalabas, walang ilalabas. And then the vice president can say, tingnan nyo, ginawan nyo lang ako ng kwento.
Mm-hmm.
Give the vice president the chance to say mali lahat nung sinabi tungkol sa kanya. Hanapin niya kung merong Mary Grace Piatos. Yan. Ilabas sila. And and then let the truth come out, let the senators vote. We will respect how the senators vote, but we will want to know how each senator voted.
Yes.
We will want to know how each senator voted. Hindi pwedeng ganitong klaseng pangyayari, ganitong kabigat na mga na kaso ay lilipas na lang na people whom the officials whom the Constitution said should have been responsible in hearing it out get away with it. with not taking without an opinion. Without an opinion.
I see.
Yung mga sinasabing ginawa o hindi ginawa ng ikalawang pinakamataas na official ng bansa. Napakabigat nun eh. It has to be settled. Na kung totoo yun, dapat may yung sanction na sinabi, she cannot run again. Hindi sinabing papatayin siya, hindi sinabing idedemonyo siya.
Wala naman tayong death penalty sa Pilipinas.
Ayun na. So, at kung mali pala, inimbento pala ito, malaman rin natin.
Anything, if you have people confident dun sa character ni VP Sara, then dapat di sila matakot with this impeachment. Mga supporters niya that think she's she's a clean person, then dapat walang fear because the truth will come out. The truth will come out in this trial. So and you played a very big role. So congratulations on all the work so far, and praying that the trial trial proceeds forthwith.
And that we begin healing,
national healing also.
Yes.
Tama. Hey there, thanks for watching the highlights of the Hey EO podcast. If you enjoyed, why don't you like this video and subscribe to my channel? You may also watch the full episode by clicking the clip in the middle.